Khumulwng Pres Club President Angshumoy Debbarma hoisted the national flag on the occasion of 79 India's Independence Day at Khumulwng Pres Club on Friday. The club secretary Ranjit Debbarma, Assistant Secretary Manas Debbarma and other members were present. The 76th India's Independence Day was also celebrated at Khumulwng Pres Club along with the nation. On this day, Khumulwng Pres Club President Angshumoy Debbarma hoisted the national flag on the occasion of 76th India's Independence Day at Khumulwng Pres Club on Friday. The club secretary Ranjit Debbarma, Assistant Secretary Manas Debbarma, Cashier Amulya Debbarma, Finance Secretary Krishanu Debbarma and other members were present.
Khumulwng Pres Club Secretary Ranjit Debbarma, adong rotongo Tripani adong TPM ini adong bangi tampayo. Sentini ani salo semutu kanya nanglo je sini freedom fighters rokno je semua sini bagainya pro yang krisobernya je independence reka semua. Awuni bayar bahannya tongo zara hoi bumung kaya tiaba borok ni bolidan borok ruinya semua sentino independence abu tongo. As indigenous people of the state of Tripura, sungguh mutu kaya nango je sini culture, heritage, domo sung bahage bono muiro kaya kami sung bono bahage sagati sanane. Especially sung media persons of sung sini kolom ni putri bai, de sini mouse, de sini camera ni lens ni sung bahage sini drop arok no sung kaham ke sung tebo sagawo abis dengan ni abano sung ini salo sung kaham ke sung memorize nai.
On this day, former Agartala Press Club President Subal Kumar De hoisted the national flag in front of the Agartala Press Club. The club current President Pranab Sarkar, Secretary Ramakanta De and other members were present. Reported by Prabir from Khumulwng and Agartala, Chini, Khorang.